Maybe I understand you a little more than I should, but that's the sort of gardener I am. Tomatoes, you're so precious, zucchinis grow so fast, and capsicums, your flowers are such a blast. I love you, my veggies, I love you. If you want fertilizer, you've got it. Soil acidity, it's just right. And each day I will water you so lovingly, 'cause helping you grow up is my delight. I love you, my veggies, I love you. Veggies, I love you. Let's face it, these days some youngsters think you can just slap some seeds in the ground. But it's so much more than that. Acidity and fertilizer, it's something that you can only grasp with experience. And these youngsters these days think you could just get away with just the bare necessities. But it's more than that. It's more than that. It's about love and care. And it's about the flavour ultimately. And my veggies know that I love them. I care for them. And when the storms of life come along, I'll be there for them. They know it. And whilst there's one snail that goes along the pathway heading towards them, it'll be me there with my defender to ward them off. That's because my veggies, I love them. They're mine. And I'm theirs. And they know. I love you, my veggies, I love you. It's so emotional. So emotional.